I have just stood here and told you all of this interesting information and I forgot to press the record button.
You've got to push it to the limit.
We're going walking. We're actually doing the easiest walk that there is in Wilpena Pound. We're walking into Wilpena Pound to the Hills homestead, which is a homestead built in the 1900s by the Hills family. And there's only one way inside this pound.
You've got to push it to the limit.
This is actually the spring that feeds the whole Wilpena Pound resort. And it would have been the spring that supplied water. I don't want to fall in. To the Hills homestead further on down the track. Okay, something's coming. How are you? Whoa! That's our wonderful ranger mate, a full-blood Aboriginal that works here in the Parks and Wildlife. Now, if you don't tell anybody, I won't tell anybody that you've seen me drinking the real hard stuff. Shh. I'm sure that shit will kill me one day.
You've got to push it to the limit.
The poor bastards spent years and years building a road so that the bullocks could take all their wheat out. For Christmas, all they prayed for was rain, and they got it. And this road that they'd been working on for years and years to get all of their stuff in and out got washed away in those floods. What a life it must have been. Crap, I just had this scared out of me. I thought there was an Aborigine over there. Alright, this is what scared the shit out of me. I just ate a fly. It was disgusting. We saw a bit of the filming of Wolf Creek too today. That was very exciting. Very, very exciting in fact.